what we'll do real quick is we need to go ahead and turn on our database. So we'll go back to the Firebase console, and we'll go to database. And this is kind of what I said before. Cloud Firestore is definitely in beta. But if you look at this screen right now, what is Google trying to push on you? They have strong opinions on what database you ought to use. If you scroll down, or alternatively, choose the real-time database, right? But they definitely have tried to sell you on the Cloud Firestore first and foremost. And so that's what we're going to go with today. So go ahead and we'll create database. And we have two choices, the responsible choice and the irresponsible choice. We are going to choose the irresponsible choice because we're learning. So start in locked mode. So locked mode, basically, the database is on complete lockdown. You can't do anything to it, right? Which is, generally speaking, like whitelisting is better than blacklisting, totally. And we will eventually go to something closer to locked mode. But first, we're going to start in test mode. Test mode is wide open. Anyone can do anything, anywhere in the database. Now, you should not push to production like this. However, on localhost, you're probably safe, right? So we'll go ahead and we'll enable it in test mode. Setting up our security rules, which are almost like a lack thereof of security rules. And we have our database. There's not much in it yet, which makes sense. We just created it. Let's actually wire it into our React application. So to do that, we will flip back over. And we're going to pull in the code for Firestore. So we'll import Firebase/Firestore. Right? If we pulled in all of Firebase, we would have gotten Firestore, but we would have also gotten all the code for working with the real-time database. Chances are we're not using both. Right? There's actually nothing stopping you from using both, but other than your own sanity. So we can import Firestore. And then what I'll usually do is I'll go ahead and I'll do export const Firestore equals Firebase. And it calls it as a function like that. All right, so now we've got Firebase, and we have a database. That was it, right? We're good to go. Like, we're not actually calling this file anywhere yet. So let's go ahead and do that in application.jsx. Here I will simply do import Firestore from ... Firebase. All right. Go back over to my application. Firestore is defined but not used. That makes total sense because we are, in fact, defining it but not using it.